This is what happens when you have stupid builders who don't know what they're doing, who don't use damp course, who sure as hell don't clean out the joists, breach the damp. Existing joist. And that's all because the builder put muck up against a wet floor straight to the joists. Terrific job. Well done. Hope you're proud. So this is a follow-up to the subfloor video, which got 5,000 views. Thank you everyone for your likes and your comments. So as we were talking about before, this had been done extremely bad. Everything was breached. This is all cleaned out now. So what we're going to do when we get to this stage, we put a piece of timber on damp course. That's all it takes. That little bit of plastic stops all the moisture rising up from the ground into the timbers. Now this is a shallow floor, so it doesn't need a lot. It's literally this. Piece of this. Make sure it's on a damp course. Keep it nice and square. This. Now, if there's any space underneath it, get some slate and pack it. Put a screw going through the actual sole plate onto the joist, and that will be it. Now if it's any deeper than this, say for example you're over 2 foot, then you have to do it with bricks. Build up a pier, again either use slate or damp course, make sure no timber's touching. And if you go to my YouTube channel, that's Irish Creations, basically you will see how that's done to do an entire floor. Now, the most key thing with doing a subfloor is airflow, and we will have to introduce there's a black pipe there, so there's an extension that's been done. At least they ducted somewhere, but that is completely covered. Okay, and what I'm going to have to do on this one, because there's no way to get any airflow into this side, is put some vents, 6B3, 3B9, sorry, air vents, plastic ones with fly screen vents into the actual skirting board. One there and one down there, so we're creating a flow. Now there's an air brick which has been used from an existing chimney, and that's got a drawer. So with that black pipe and the air brick, we're creating a good flow of air through here, and that's the most important thing with subfloor. Airflow, damp course, can't go wrong. Any questions? Fire away.
So yeah, this is the start of the project. Basically, as you can see, everything is rotten in here. There's tons of rubble. There's bonding on ground level. Again, bonding shouldn't be used in damp, shouldn't be used anywhere ground floor. Definitely shouldn't be used in kitchens or bathrooms, because bonding holds moisture. And hand on heart, this probably creates at least 80% of condensation problems, with obviously lack of airflow, but worse so when there is a moisture problem, i.e. a leak, where there can be a problem with lack of airflow. Bonding's unforgiving, especially on cold walls. Also, I will be spraying this floor with a chemical solution called Probor. Again, wet rot, dry rot, woodworm, they're all attracted to this kind of condition, and if you're going to put the floor down, the best thing to do is to spray it. My next video will be me putting down the polyurethane floor and also the plyboard. Thanks for watching. If you got this far, please like and subscribe, and yeah, check out the other videos we've made.